In this video, I'm again with another question of factorizing the algebraic expression by splitting the middle term. Let's see what is the question here. Here we have to factorize a square plus 8a plus 16 by splitting the middle term method. Okay, so middle term is 8a here. Okay, बीच का जैसा आप कह रहे हैं. Okay, so we have to split it into its factors. So we will find, or we have to write this 8a as the sum of its factors. So we have to find such factors such that a plus b should be 8a, and when we multiply the same factors we will get this product as 16a square. Okay, so let's see what factors we have to split this 8a into. Okay, so it will be 4a plus 4a. Why? Because when we add this two, we will get 4a plus 4a is 8a. We got this splitting term, and the same factors, when they are multiplied, we get 16a square. That satisfies our condition. Okay, so in place of 8a we will split it into its factor, and in place of 8a we will write 4a plus 4a plus 16 can be written as 4 into 4. Okay, now you can see that there are total 4 terms. Now we can pair them. Okay, so we get 2 pairs. We'll first take the first pair. In this first pair we have the first term as a square and the second term as 4a. So we have to take out the common one here. So here a square, and here only a is here. Okay, now a we will take only one a as common, and we are left with a plus 4. Okay, then plus here it is 4a, and here we have 2 4s, so at least 1 4 can be taken as common, and we are left with a plus 4. Now you can see that here also we got to a plus 4, and here also we have a plus 4. So out of this 2 a plus 4, we will take 1 a plus 4 as common, and then we are left with a plus 4 again. So this is the factorization of this algebraic expression, a square plus 8a plus 16. So children, hope you understood the explanation well. So kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.